We thought technology would make us the most advanced generation in history. We were supposed to feel free, empowered, happy. But here we are, staring at our phones till midnight. We are exhausted, unmotivated, and caffeine is the only resource to survive the next day.
They promise an extra boost, but as CBS 17's Greg Funderburg discovered, doctors say the side effects can be serious, especially for those who drink multiple beverages a day.
Keep me awake, mostly. Keeps me from getting a headache and just makes me, does not feel like,
Influencers in productivity are making millions by selling systems in Notion.
But if we could fix our lives with Notion, complicated spreadsheets, or ChatGPT, we wouldn't be struggling with life. Or at least not scared of our own thoughts.
Is there anything scarier than being alone with your own thoughts?
Nope.
No.
No.
Bears and rapists and people with artillery weapons.
One evening, you're feeling completely drained after a long and productive day. You've worked hard and earned some downtime. You grab your phone and open your favorite delivery app, ordering sushi and a slice of cake for dessert. As the series gets more gripping, you decide to watch just a couple more episodes. The day ends up scrolling through Instagram, and you go to sleep 2 hours after the usual time. The indulgence feels good at the moment, but the late-night cake affects your sleep quality. You wake up feeling groggy, distracted, and craving more screen time. And even small setbacks at work leave you frustrated. Kristen Holmes, a pioneer in the field of human performance, says the best way to reset a bad sleeping schedule is to wake up at the same time every day, forcing you to enter to routine again.
The more consistent and more stable the sleep-wake, the sleep onset and offset of these soldiers, the higher levels of positive psychological functioning. Sleep-wake timing, I think, is the mother of all performance optimization behaviors.
And this exact trick can be used to fix your routine again in moments of sadness or lack of control. Humans are really good when in emergency mode. But we are so good in emergency mode because we are coded to survive, which makes us really bad at handling emotions in this modern, much more secure world.
Stop hearing these hacks on this and that. There's no fucking hack, bro. There's no fucking hack. Yeah, you may this and that and saunas and all this shit yeah, it's great. There is no fucking life hack. To grow that thing, how do you grow it? Do it, and do it, and do it, and do it. That's the hack.
In the previous podcast, Goggins talked about the hacks that don't actually help more than human willpower. And if you think about it, that in fact is a very Stoic way of solving problems. Stoics believe in cultivating inner strength and resilience in the face of challenges. They view obstacles as opportunities for personal growth and character development. It's not that there are no useful hacks. It's more than in the moments of adversity, and you better believe there are going to be moments of adversity, is better to endure. Keep faithful to the person you are and go back to your healthy routine. We are humans. You're going to want a cake one day, and you're going to write to your ex or use social media excessively, but it's in your hands, in your control, to say to yourself, I'll start being good again. I'm better than this. Just focus on controlling certain vital institutions. You identify 1 or 2 key elements that you would want to change and start the new day with strong rules about them. That intervention alone could create lots of positive knock-on effects, if applied consistently. Success looks more like this staircase function, where you need to correct yourself from time to time to keep growing, and you can see the same pattern in several other fields. So stop believing the myth of the perfect life, become a Stoic, normalize fighting against your prehistoric mind, and you'll see the results in the mid and long term.